Today I'm going to try to replace the laptop screen for my HP ZBook. I ordered this laptop screen from laptopscreen.com. It cost me about $75 including shipping. Let's see how we can get started. Uh, First you have to remove the two plastic adhesives that's on the either side, and then try to remove these two screws with a small screwdriver, something like this. After you remove these two screws, gently try to slide your fingers between the plastic and make sure you don't break them. So you have to be gentle enough and remove it from all the corners. Next you see four screws, two on the top and two on the bottom. You try to get these four removed. Now once the four screws are removed, try to gently slide the screen and place it at the bottom. And there's a adhesive tape over here. You try to gently remove them and then remove the connector from the screen. Now I removed this adhesive and pulled off this pin. There is a clip that holds this pin together, so you may want to gently remove this, and that should separate these two components. Now I have put the new laptop screen below, and I have kept a foam underneath so that to avoid any scratches, and I have reattached the connections over here, and I'm going to put the tape back on. And now I'm going to try to put all the four screws back so that the screen goes back in place. Now I have put the four screw back in place, so it's good time to test. So there you see it's powering up. So previously it was all cracked and I could see nothing on the screen. Now since we have tested it out, I want to remove the plastic cover on the top. I peel it off, and the next thing would be to put the plastic back in place. Now place the covering back and gently try to press around the corner and go around. And now all the corners are done. Now the last thing remains is to put these two screws back in place. So I'm going to put these two screws back in place. Now I have put these two screws back. Now the last step would be to put the adhesives that I had removed on top of them, to put it back in the place so that the exposed screws are no longer visible. And that concludes how to replace a laptop screen on ZHP books. Thanks.